brownie. We're gonna put some brownie in the oven. It's gonna be a smoked triple chocolate brownie. It's gonna be delicious. And then we got some bacon wrapped oysters. And then we have a nice tri-tip steak that we're gonna be doing. And then we're gonna be slicing some of these nice, beautiful potatoes with some jalapenos. So the brownies, I think, need to be baked at about 325. So we have Rachel over here today. Come on in, Rachel.
Hello.
You're welcome. So Rachel, can you tell us how we're going to be putting this brownie in the oven today?
Sure, you can grab your favorite baking mix. Today we're using a triple chocolate Ghirardelli brownie mix, and be sure that you spray your pan lightly. We have it pre-mixed. Follow the box instructions. I believe just one bag was a 1/3 cup oil, a 1/3 cup water, and 1 egg.
And we're going to throw some of these potatoes in here. All right, everybody, let's check these potatoes here a second. Let's see what we got. Wow, they're looking pretty good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let these rest here for a little bit, and we're gonna throw these bacon wrapped oysters right on top of here. All right, everybody, come and check this out. So we had had this skillet in here for quite some time, and I think we got everything looking pretty good how we want it. Our oyster wrapped bacon, or bacon wrapped oysters, looking good. We got some of our potatoes. You just smell that aroma. We're gonna let this rest here. And we're gonna do 2 at a time. Actually, we can probably do more. Oh yeah, that's hot. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that. That is a perfect medium rare. Now, as always, we have to make sure it tastes good. Delicious, incredible, juicy, flavorful, and obviously, you can't forget about the dog. Nice job. Pepper, the hooky, and happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy
Cheers.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.